Negative form of the present continuous tense. To brush. I am not brushing. You are not brushing. He is not brushing. She is not brushing. It is not brushing. We are not brushing. You are not brushing. They are not brushing. To cry. I am not crying. You are not crying. He is not crying. She is not crying. It is not crying. We are not crying. You are not crying. They are not crying. To hit. I am not hitting. You are not hitting. He is not hitting. She is not hitting. It is not hitting. We are not hitting. You are not hitting. They are not hitting.